Good day, dear students. So today I will teach you how to create your own straight-through Ethernet cable. So these are the materials that you will need. So first one is the crimping tool, and then the wire stripper. Hindi yung stripper na ano ha. And then you have the RJ45. You can buy it at the store at 4 to 6 pesos siguro. And next is the LAN cables. So we have here Cat 5 and Cat 6. Yung gray yung Cat 5 and yung blue is yung Cat 6. So we will be using Cat 5 for practice kasi medyo hard yung Cat 6. So you may also use scissors pag mapurol na yung yung crimping tool. Pero mag-ingat lang kasi pwedeng ma-damage yung wire. So, and also you have here the LAN tester. Ito yung ginagamit pang check kung gumagana yung ginawa yung Ethernet cable. So, ayun yung mga materials na kailangan natin. So, let's start. So, first, prepare your LAN cable. So, yung Cat 5 yung gamit natin. And then, use the wire stripper. So, ihuhubadan natin yung bahay ng cable at least 1.5 inch siya. So, ayan. And then, you have to memorize the color coding of the straight-through. So, ang gagawin natin is type A. So, white, green, or straight green. But I prefer white, green, yung first. So, yung type A yung gagawin natin. So, you need to separate the wires and arrange them accordingly by color. So, first is white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, tsaka brown. And then, you need to straighten it. So, pag na-straight nyo na, ikakat nyo ulit siya ng mas maliit. Cut. Tapos, siguro at least 1 inch. Ganun. And then, kunin niyo yung RJ45 pag straight na, and then you have to put it this way. You have to insert it this way na naka-arrange din yung color. So, dapat is tignan yung mabuti. So, i-insert nyo siya ng maayos. Siksik nyo ng gusto. And so, pag nasiksik nyo na ng gusto, check nyo ng mabuti. You need to lock it using the crimper. So, get the crimper. Insert nyo yung ginawa nyong, yung insert nyo sa RJ45. So, insert nyo siya and then press it. Higpitan nyo. Pero wag yung pabigla ha. So, ayun. So, pag ano na, tapos na yun, pag nalock na, hindi na siya naaalis. Gawin nyo naman yung kabilang side. Repeat the steps that you did dun sa isang side. So, uulitin nyo ulit yung ginawa nyo dun sa kabilang side. Yan. So, gamitin nyo ulit yung wire stripper. At least 1.5 inch, I repeat. Para madaling paghiwalayin at saka i-arrange according to the sequence. And then, pag na-arrange nyo na, i-straighten nyo siya, and then i-cut nyo ulit. And then, you insert it using the RJ45. Pag na-insert na ng gusto, use the crimping tool to lock it again. And then, pag tapos na, we will test it using the land tester. So, pag okay na, i-insert natin siya sa land tester. So, para malaman kung working yung cable nyo, dapat is umiilaw yung mga green lights. Tapos, same sila ng pattern. Dahil straight through yung ginagawa nyo at hindi crossover. So, let us see. So, insert natin yan. And then, ayan. So, tignan natin if gumagana lahat ng lights. Okay. So, pag gumagana lahat ng lights, it means successful yung ginawa nyong Ethernet cable. So,